Hello friend, welcome back. Looking at the high demand of this application testing daily, like earlier we launched it for Chrome browser and all the Chromium based browser like Edge, Opera, uh, Brave and a lot more. And then we launched it for mobile like Android and iPhone. Then there were like lots of user on Firefox which were like in the need of testing daily, and they asked it for like is it available for Firefox. So finally we have added support for Firefox as well for testing daily. So now you can add it in your Firefox browser and enjoy the daily testing feed. So what you have to do, how you can get it, just simply go to SelectorsHub website, and there you will find this testing daily page. Click on install. Here on this page you will find the Firefox link, add to Firefox. Click on this. In fact, like you can directly search here on Firefox store as well for testing daily, and you will get that. Now to add it on your browser, click on add to Firefox. It's very simple like any other extension. Then click on add. Okay. And now going forward, whenever you will open new tab, you will see that you will get the testing daily feed. Here you will have to keep changes. Of course, like earlier it was a blank tab and now new tab, testing daily tab. So here you have this is a grid view by default open. You can also change it to like normal listing view. So this is how now you will get this latest testing feed whenever you will open new tab, and this is really amazing. Now if you want to open a website, of course you can open the website here, or if you want to change the like if you want to see this feed, you can keep seeing this feed. So this is amazing, very helpful. Now going forward, you will always get this feed on your Firefox browser, and you will learn every time you open new tab. And if you want to open your website or anything like that, you can simply open it here if you want. And all the features which were there on Chrome, they will always be available here, and you will keep getting the updates and everything here. You can log in, create account, you can see the feed, and in fact now we have added a lot more feeds here. Earlier there were like Medium, YouTube and Reddit lambda test only. Now we have added Twitter, Blogspot, and a lot more is coming. Like soon you will see the feed of WordPress and a lot more. So we keep adding a lot more feed, useful feed, so that you keep getting the latest testing trends and what's happening in testing space. So you will get all those feeds here. So this is testing daily for Firefox, guys. Do add it in your Firefox browser, and please share it in your network so that more people get to know about it and they can take the advantage of it, and they can learn something new every day from testing daily. Please do add review for testing daily here on Firefox browser. You can add the review here and let others know about this amazing tool. Please give it a 5-star rating and do share it in the community. With that, thank you so much.